Welcome back to Furious Cars, your go-to place for real reviews, honest opinions, and cars that stir your soul. Whether it's a budget ride or a luxury land yacht, we cover it all with no filters. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. Alright, today we're talking about something elegant, flashy, and straight up iconic. It's the return of the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible. Yes, you heard that right. The Biarritz is back, and it's turning heads like it's 1959 all over again. First things first, this thing ain't electric. Thank God, right? Cadillac knows this car isn't for people who wanna sip battery juice and whisper around town. This is for the folks who want to cruise with the top down, aviate rumble, and some serious presence. Let's start with the design, and man, this thing is drop-dead gorgeous. Cadillac took heavy inspiration from the original 50s and 60s Biarritz models, especially that iconic 1959 Eldorado with the rocket fins. While the 2026 version doesn't have crazy fins, it does have an unmistakable retro luxury vibe. It's long, it's wide, it's got presence for days. That massive chrome front grille, the LED headlights shaped like old-school Cadillac jewelry, the bold Cadillac crest on the hood, it's dripping in heritage. The side profile, absolutely elegant. Long hood, 2 doors, soft-top convertible roof that folds down smooth and silently with just the touch of a button. In the rear, Cadillac kept it classic with vertical taillights and a little tail fin action that nods to the old-school Biarritz. Chrome trim runs along the sides and the bumpers. And the paint colors. Deep pearl whites, jet blacks, a stunning deep red, and even a champagne gold that looks like money on wheels. Now, pop the hood, and you'll find something that makes old-school fans smile, a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8. No hybrid, no battery, just raw American muscle pushing out 490 horsepower and around 475 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, just like it should be. This thing is smooth on the road, but if you floor it, it can hustle. 0 to 60 in just over 4.5 seconds, not bad for a luxury cruiser weighing nearly 2.2 tons. The ride, absolutely plush. Cadillac's magnetic ride control makes sure you're gliding over bumps like they're not even there. It's not a corner carver, but it wasn't built to be one. This is a car you cruise in, not race in. It's got that old-school land yacht float, but with modern control. Step inside and it's pure retro modern luxury. Cadillac nailed the interior. The dashboard design is minimal yet elegant, with digital screens blended into chrome bezels. The leather is top shelf, soft, thick, and available in classy dual tones like white with navy blue or red with black. There's real wood trim, polished metal switchgear, and suede on the pillars and headliner. You sit low, the steering wheel is thick and retro-styled, and every surface feels like it belongs in a 6-figure car. The tech is all there too. You get a massive 16-inch curved digital display, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, a 30-speaker AKG sound system that literally shakes the doors, and even massaging seats for both front passengers. Heads-up display, 360-degree cameras, parking sensors, blind spot monitoring, everything you'd expect in a modern Cadillac, but with a heavy dash of vintage glam. And here's the best part, it's a true 4-seater. The rear seats aren't just for show. You can actually sit adults back there comfortably, especially with the top down. Trunk space is decent too, even with the soft top folded, you still get room for a weekend bag or two. So, who's this car for? It's not your daily commuter. It's not for someone worried about fuel economy, expect around 15 to 18 mpg. It's for the guy or gal who wants to roll up to a wedding, a beachside cruise, or just a local cafe and have every head turn. It's for those who appreciate classic American luxury and want something that stands out in a world of electric crossovers and turbocharged 4-cylinders. Now, let's talk numbers. The starting price for the 2026 Eldorado Biarritz Convertible is expected to be around $97,000, but with options and special color combos, it can easily go over $115,000. And honestly, it feels worth it. You're getting a rare breed, a modern American convertible with real luxury, real muscle, and timeless appeal. Compared to other luxury convertibles like the BMW 8 Series Cabrio or the Mercedes S-Class Cabriolet, the Caddy brings its own swagger. The Germans might be more clinical or refined, but the Eldorado Biarritz has soul. It has charisma. It brings smiles from strangers, thumbs up at traffic lights, and conversations at gas stations. Would I buy one? If I had the cash and wanted something that screams, classic American opulence, with modern comfort, I'd be all over it. It's not a track car, it's not a tech gadget, it's a statement. And we need more cars like that today. So yeah, hats off to Cadillac for not watering this one down. They could have slapped the Biarritz name on an SUV or made it electric just for the headlines. But no, they went old school in the best way possible. Alright folks, that's the full breakdown of the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz Convertible, a proper luxury cruiser that brings style, heritage, and power all in one. Let me know in the comments, would you rock one of these? Or are you more into the old school classics it's inspired by? And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with someone who still believes cars should have chrome, character, and V8s. This is Furious Cars, I'll see you in the next one.